Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Gmail on PC. Gmail is one of the most popular email services in the world. It allows you to send and receive emails, organize messages, manage contacts and integrate with other Google services like Google Drive, Google Calendar and the Google Meet. Gmail works on any web browser on your PC, providing a powerful interface for the both casual and professional users. First, what you can do is first open to your web browser. You can open any of the web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, etc. as per your preference. After you get into this web browser interface, in the top we can find this address bar. Type down gmail.com and enter it, and over here you are just in your Gmail inbox. When you log in, you'll find this inbox, stared, snooze, sent, drafts, purchases and more. You can select to this more and you'll find this important, scheduled, all mail, spam, trash, categories and labels. In the inbox, it's where the incoming emails appear, and in the stared, with important emails you marked, and in the snooze here, emails that to reappear later. In the sent, emails you have sent, and in the drafts here, emails saved but not sent, and in the spam, suspected junk emails, and in the trash here, all of the deleted emails which will delete eventually later on after the 30 days of the period time. And in order to compose an email, what you can do is you can click on this compose icon in the top left here, and you can enter any of the recipient email over here in this too, and over here you can also select any of the subject which is optional. You can also type your message in the main body to attach, and to attach files you can go to this attach files in the bottom here in the favorite clip icon. Select to this file from the PC, and this opens. What you can do is select any of the file from the PC, as I'm going to select one of the video here, and after you're done you can select to the send, and it will automatically send to the recipient's Gmail account. And if you want to click any of the email to read it, as I'm going to select to this top here option at the top of the email, you can reply it all, you can forward it, you can respond to all of the recipient, respond to the sender, send email to the another person. You can also archive if you want to. In order to archive, what you can do is you can go back and select to this archive here, and this email will go to the archive. You can also report spam if it is unwanted emails. If you want to delete it, if you want to move it to the trash, what you can do is select any of the email that you want to put it and select to this delete. It will automatically send it to this trash here. And in order to organize the emails, you can click on the label on the bottom. Over here we can find this manage labels in the top in the left hand side here, and over here label acts as a folder but allow multiple labels per email. Apply the labels to the emails to categorize them as well. Over here you can select any of the show or hide to the email that we want to put the label of. Gmail automatically highlights the important emails using the AI. You can also use the search bar at the top to find the emails. At the top here you can find this. You can search by the sender name, subject, keyword, attachment type, advanced search. Click down arrow in the search bar for the filters as well. Over here we can find this filters, and you can select if this from to subject, if the size, and you can select to this search after you're done. And over here in the top right corner we can find this small setting icon. You can go to this setting icon in order to see all of the setting here, and in this general in the top left, this general tab undo sends duration of the 5 to the 30 seconds of it, default reply behavior, conversation view on or off, and in this labels here, this is for to create, show, hide or labels. And in this inbox here you can choose inbox type, default, important first, unread first, etc. And in this account and import, it adds other email accounts, set send mail as addresses, filters and blocked addresses, create rules to auto organize email. And in this filters and blocked addresses, it creates rules to auto organize emails. And in this forwarding and POP IMAP, forwards emails to other accounts, enable POP map to use the Gmail in the desktop email clients. And in this advanced Gmail features here, it is used for the scheduling emails while composing. Click the down arrow next to send schedule text over here as well. And in this templates here, enable the templates in the setting if you want to save commonly used emails for the reuse. If you want to snooze, I'll also tell you some of the keyboard shortcuts enabled in the setting. You can commonly shortcut C for the compose, R for the reply, A for the reply all, E for the archive, and hash for the delete, and G plus I would go to the inbox here. If you want offline Gmail on PC, what you can do is go in this top right of the setting here. If you want to customize to the themes of the Gmail, in the top right corner we can find this small setting icon. Click onto this setting icon here. You can find this theme over here. What you can do is select to this view all. Over here you can pick your theme as you want to. Choose from the predefined themes, colors, patterns or the image. You can also upload your own background image if you want to. You can simply go to my photos here as well. And after you're done selecting one of the image, you can go to this save here. And over here we can find to this inbox type here as well. The first one would be the default, important first, unread first, date first. In this inbox, default is for the standard inbox with the tab primary social promotions. In this important first, it shows the emails Gmail mark as important, unread first, unread emails on top, stared emails on top, priority inbox here, stared emails combines important, stared and unread as well. In this reading pan you can find to this, it's for the no split normal Gmail, but if you want for the right of inbox, it further shows email content on the right side. If you want to go for this below inbox here, it shows the email content below the list, making multitasking and email preview easier. And while Gmail's basic service is free, Google offers upgraded services for the individuals, professionals, and businesses under Google Workspace. These upgrades enhance the storage, security, and collaboration and productivity. In order to upgrade, in the top right corner, we can find this upgrade for the premium features. You can select to this icon in order to upgrade as well. An example, instead of your name, you can have your own company, gives a professional identity for the business. You can find to this upgrade your Gmail here. You can find to any of the plan and you can proceed to your plan as well. It gives a professional email identity for the businesses, and it also increases storage. Free Gmail 15 GB shared across the Gmail drive and photos. It also paid the workspace of the 30 GB to the 5 TB depending on the plan. It enhances security and admin controls, advanced spam and phishing protection, data loss prevention DLP, mobile device management and the security policies for the teams, and collaboration tools, and the advanced support with the 24/7 customer support via phone, chat, and email for the workspace subscribers. And even as an individual, you can purchase Google One storage upgrades, increases Gmail storage, backup photos and the files, priority support from the Gmail experts as well. And you can go back if you want help and support from the Gmail. Here on the top, you can find to the support here. Go to the support and you can select to this help if you want help. And over here, you can also go to the frequently asked questions if you want any of the articles if you want to get help from, or you can ask to this help community on the bottom in order to get answers from the community experts as well. And it is also an productivity hub of the Gmail. Each icon you see has a purpose, helping you organize, manage, and automatic emails. Below here, we can find to this three dot icon here in this snooze icon. So this is a temporarily remove the email from your inbox and have it return later at the specific time. Once you click to this snooze here, choose a preset time, later, today, tomorrow, this week, and next week, or pick a date and time to custom schedule here as well. And it reminds yourself to reply all the emails at a better time. Keep your inbox clean without losing important emails here. And in this add to task, it turns an email into a Google task, opens the task sidebar on the right hand side, and automatically adds the email subject as the task name. Clicking the task will link back to the email as well. And over here in this label, it categorizes the email for the better organization. An email will appear under that label folder in the sidebar. You can apply multiple labels to one email for the cross-category organization. The last thing would be the logging out of the Gmail on your PC. In few simple steps, whether you're using your personal computer or the public device, logging out properly is important to keep your account secure. So first, what you can do is in the top right corner, you can find the small icon of your Google account. Simply click onto this Google account here. You can find to the sign out or the add account. If you want to add an account in your Gmail, you can simply select this add account and you can proceed for the further process. And after that, you can select the sign out here. This button, you can click on it. If you are signed in the multiple accounts, it might say sign out of the all account. Clicking this will log out your Google account on this browser, and after clicking it sign out, you will be redirected to the Gmail sign in page. This confirms that you are now logged out of the account, and you can safely close the browser or leave it open, and that is it. This is how you can log out of your Gmail on your PC. And remember, always log out when using a shared computer to keep your email safe. And that is it. Gmail on PC offers a complete email experience, composing, sending and organizing emails, customizing inbox themes, and reading print, chat, and video conference with Google Chat and Meet. Upgrade for business or enhance features across support and security features. With these tools, Gmail becomes a full productivity hub beyond just an email service. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.